Good morning, you guys. Excuse me. Good morning. Thank you for joining. You guys are early, man. I love it. So those are the two immediate zones for today. Pretty sweet. Yeah, I do have a beautiful zone up here, but I just want to see what happens when price gets to this one. Uh, yeah, let's see the reaction and let's go from there. Yeah. Good morning, Sumit. How's it going, bro? Thank you for joining, mate. Welcome, welcome, people. It's a beautiful morning here. We had a great day yesterday. Let's continue that momentum. Let's do the excuse me. Let's do the 9 yards, people. Let's get to today's news. Today's what? 25th of June. 25th. Yep, Australian dollar news. Even we had it yesterday. Doesn't make a difference. They have that unemployment rate coming out today. Interesting. Today at 6 p.m. you had the core price index. Why is unemployment claims in orange? Very interesting. So for us, as far as we are concerned, we don't have anything to worry about because if something comes out in the morning, you're gonna have an issue with it. But for now, we're good. Iran president will never compromise on missile capabilities. These guys, man, they love their toys. Lizzie, very good morning. Thank you for joining. After I started following you, I'm learning to have composure after taking a trade, bro. Bro, thank you so much, man. Thank you for saying that. I'm glad that your trading is getting better. I'm very happy. Means a lot, man. Keep joining, bro. We'll we'll get we'll get better together, man. Trust me. I'm just gonna cut these messages, man. It means a lot to me. I'm glad that I'm helping. Even Lizzie was very happy that she was getting better. Uh, that's all I could ask from from the live sessions. Hey, bro. I'm from South India, man. I'm from Chennai. Morning, Sharad, bro. Good morning. Thank you for joining, man. You guys are early, bro. 5:34. Respect. But for Lizzie, I think it's almost 7 a.m. Still, that's good, people. That's good. Hi, Peter. Yeah, bro. Poland is in the top of the world, man. Thank you for joining, bro. Always nice to have you. Hey, Syed. Good morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. For Lizzie, it's 8 a.m. But still, she's here. That's all that matters. Let's do it. Syed, I'm doing good, bro. How's it going, man? I'm doing really good after yesterday's TP, bro. Let's get this show on the road, boys and girls. So we don't have to worry about news. All you have to do is sit here, wait for price to get to stop ons, and then execute. And three on threes, we will still be waiting. Mohammed, hi man, welcome to the channel, bro. If you're new here, happy to have you, man. Stick around and see what's happening. If you want to go watch yesterday, go ahead. And if you want to join the community, we do have Discord, so it's in the description. It's always good to have people here, man. Smeet lives in Australia. Bro, it's 10 a.m. there, bro. Nice, man. How's the weather right now, man? User CG wants to know when did I win last? Bro, I won last yesterday morning. Um, Not sure about the time, man. If you want to go check out yesterday's live, it should be in the morning itself. This was the last trade we won, bro, which was at 5:40. It was really early trade, man. Lovely. See, that's the most recent, bro. People are celebrating in the chat. It was fun, right? Even Monday, people we should have got a win, but I wasn't here. Uh, that's fine. I'm here now. You're welcome. No, it's always a dilemma when you take a break from trading. This was a forced break, mind you. I didn't design it. I had to do it because of a couple of family commitments. So while I was away, I couldn't resist. Every day after the end of the day, I could look at the charts because usually I drive in the morning. I don't do nights. I don't drive in the nights. So when I saw the charts, very heartbreaking, bro. Because the week before, we were getting stopped out left, right, and center. And when I wasn't on the charts, I got I think five trades in stop hunt, two stop losses, which is $200, then three take profits, man. That's $900 in profit. Um, so we should have bottom line was we should have made $600. The last four, the exact four trading date that I missed, bro. Should have, could have. It's all it's all riding on the water, but yeah, it's hard to swallow, man. Because most of the times when you're trading, you do get your handed to you, but it's fine. It takes time to, accept the fact that it's okay. You have to take breaks sometimes. Most of the times it's not forced. Sometimes it is. But yeah, I'm trying to accept it. It's fine, right? Muhammad joined Discord. Welcome, bro. SL, how many pips? Bro, it depends, man. It depends upon the setups I get. Don't worry. You'll see everything live. I show you the whole process. Usually, my community knows this. We do it together. So It depends upon how long the candles become. So let's see, man. Usually around 800 to 1,200 pips. That's the usual. And the targets, as you see here, would vary, man. It varies from 1,500 to almost 6,000 pips, bro. So we never know, man. It's cloudy today, but it's winter, so that's expected. Bro, the first time that I was amazed, um, I was in Canada. I was working for a fintech firm. I had a, a team from Brazil that joined on the meeting, and I got to interact with them. And they were saying it was winter in May, and it was almost 3 to 4 degrees. Bro, I was completely mind blown, man. Because having winter during the summer times where I'm from, I couldn't understand the fact, bro. I had to search it online to figure out if that's the case. So, Sumit, bro, when you say it's cloudy in winter, bro, I'm still shocked, man. It's June, bro. From where I'm from, bro, that's amazing, man. Good morning, Raj. Good morning, man. Thank you for joining, bro. Sad says, I like your room, especially the background light, full party mahal. Thank you, man. Yo, I wanted to do that since the beginning, since I started YouTube, man. But eventually I got it. You guys won't believe it, bro. Do you know how much that light cost, man? It cost less than $3, bro. Less than $3. Bro, I was amazed. I love it. I'm glad that you do too, man. Can you show me yesterday YesL? Yeah, bro. I'll show you yesterday's YesL, man. We got one. But it was in the 1 minute. It was in the 3-on-3 strategy. Let me show you, man. So this was excuse me. This was yesterday's TP, right? That's 1:3. We were done for this. And then I think what time was yesterday's YesL, boys and girls? That's not it, right? Oh yeah, there you go. Maybe this one. Was God, man. I completely forgot what yesterday's YesL was. I'm sorry, bro. I'm just grasping at straws here. Hold on. Yeah, I think I got it. No, I don't. Oh yeah. 6:58, man. That was yesterday's YesL. Six. Yeah, this was the zone, I think. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. So this was the stop and zone. Sorry, boys and girls. Sorry for the confusion. So sorry, this was 313. It's still early in the morning here, man. That's 313, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Price came back and good tap and reaction, but so something like that. Price did give a reaction out of it. We got almost a 1:1.2, but it doesn't matter, man. This strategy we need big ones. And after the fact, I did take another SL. This one hurt a lot because guys, this is full disclosure, right? So as usual, guys, I'm going to show you everything that happens here. So that was the zone. Okay. I was long here, and the stop loss went 40 pips below. So I didn't get taken out here, right here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. So that's the 3-on-3, right? So I'm gonna not sessions. God, where is it? There you go. So that's the 3-on-3 I was looking for. which happened. Price went off, came back. Beautiful reaction from the 3 on 3. It went to almost a 1 to 3. Bro, look at this, man. I got swept by inches. And then look at the reaction from, bro, it ran to a 1 to 9. I was watching this live. I don't know. I don't know. It happens. It happens. You get swept by a couple of yards, and then you get blasted into profit. But it is what it is. That's what happened yesterday. So one TP and two SLs for yesterday. So that's what, again, as usual, full disclosure, people. Full disclosure. All right, back to the chat. Yeah, so me, I'm like again, mind blowing, bro. Winter in May, June, amazing. Morning, bro. Amal, thank you for joining, bro. The lights behind me cost less than $3, bro. Nice, right? I like it anyway. Bitsy, welcome, bro. I'm happy to have you, man. Welcome, welcome. We have another 3 on 3, bro. It's not valid. Trust me. I'll let you know if anything is. For right now, I'm just waiting, man. We might get one soon, but right now, no, bro. We're just chilling. Uh-huh. All right. So you do trade in Tokyo session, then what do you have to do the rest of the day? Do you trade in any other session? Side, great question, bro. I honestly do not look at the charts for the sake of trading or analysis or backtest because I'm done with all that. I've been doing this for a long time. I usually backtest, but I've stopped it 3, 4 months ago. That's when my trading started getting much better. Because trust me, you have to spend time away from the charts. So after 12:30, after the Eastern session, I sit down. I watch a couple of episodes. Right now, I'm watching. What is it? What am I watching? Yellowstone. I'm watching Yellowstone. That's a series. Um, really nice, man. I like that. I like I like the view. I like where the story is being set. It's in a ranch with millions of not millions of acres, thousands of acres that a family run. So I watch it because of that, which is amazing. Mitzi just sent the live. Mitzi just sent the live in Discord, man. You're amazing, bro, as usual, man. Thank you. Excuse me. So I watch a couple of episodes in the evening. I sit down to do my YouTube videos. Right now, I'm working on a course. So I just started work yesterday. I think it's gonna take at least a week or 10 days to finish it because it's a lot of content to get through because it's my last 10 years compressed within 20 or 25 videos. So that's on the pipeline. I'll have that out soon, maybe in the next 12 days. Other than that, it's just YouTube, movies, and a lot of time with the family. I don't trade, bro. I don't look at the charts, man. So to answer your question, I don't trade after that, man. I'm done after Tokyo. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for joining, man. Did we miss the trade? No, we did not miss anything. Don't worry. See, Mitzi got it. Good morning, Nidhi. Thank you for joining, boys and girls. Lovely to have you here. Let's get this going. Yeah. I was just thinking right now if this is just open zone, but no, that's too small, man. That doesn't sit well. So we'll wait, people. These are the two zones we are worried about right now. We'll see what happens. Sad says great. Yes, one should not stick to charts all day. Yes, bro. Exactly, man. Bro, I started getting better when I stopped doing my back testing because once you have data for 2 years, you should be good, man. That's all you should need because 2 years worth of data should give you enough confidence to apply the strategy now that you know that it works, right? So that's what I wanted. That's what I got. And after that, I just I just had this rule of not taking more than 4 trades. So 2 trades per strategy. That helped me a lot because over trading has already been a concern in the past when initially I started. So I stopped doing that. I stopped backtesting. I started having fun with my life, doing something else productive. It all helps people. Try not to overtrade. Try not to think it too much. When it's the time, sit here and execute, right? As long as I'm doing that, I'm happy, man. And doing live is fun, boys and girls. After I started doing live, the amount of people that DM me saying, good things, bro, that's the most mind-blowing part because I do see that I'm helping a few people. Love it, man. Actually, there's a lot of satisfaction in that, bro. So it's going good, bro. Life is good. Sherry, thank you for joining, man. Good morning, bro. How's it going, bro? Any trades for today, man? Are you in any swing trades today, bro? Sherry? Sad says, excuse me. I enjoy your commentary side by side more than the trading. Morning. So nice of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the compliments. Guys, if you don't follow my strategy, if you don't follow the trades, I'm very happy with that because I don't want you to be copying my trades. I'd rather have you understand the strategy and execute on your own. But if you're here, I'd I'd want you to learn the mindset and what it takes to become a full-time trader. Because guys, I didn't get here in a month or even a few years, man. Getting to this point took almost 9 years. This is in the making for a long time, and the major shift happened in the mindset, the psychology. I'm Don't get me wrong, I'm not very successful yet. I don't have a Lamborghini or Ferrari yet. But that's the end goal, right? That's the journey. So if you're here, awesome. If you only want to learn the mindset, I'll be very happy with that because that's the most important part. Um, that is 80% to trading. Your your strategy is only 20%. So if you could figure out this 80%, which is the mindset and the discipline and the psychology, strategy is easy, man. You can have any strategy in as long as you have 40 to 50% win rate with a 1:3 strategy, bro. You're golden, bro. You'll be successful. You'll be very successful. Trust me. All you need is the capital, right? You have firms all over the place, man. You have firms popping on every day, new firms coming in to give you capital. So you don't have to worry about that, man. If you have a decent strategy with a 1:3 risk to reward, which gives you a 50% or a 40% win rate, even 30% for that matter, if you're executing that in $1 million or $2 million in funding, bro, you'll be making 20 to $30,000 a month, bro. That's more than enough. Come on, from where I'm from, bro, $20,000 is a lot of money to be making in a single month. So that is the goal. If you're here, just learn the mindset, and I'm glad that you're here. And Syed, thank you for saying that, man. See, Sherry is already in a trade, bro. I'm holding from 3960. That's awesome, bro. Lizzie says on target. Lizzie, it was nice talking to you yesterday. I did check out binary trading, and yo, I saw two setups that came in with 323 and 313. Both of them worked, and I was completely mind blown, Lizzie. Trust me. I was like, I'm gonna come back to this because there's so much going on right now with my life and YouTube and whatnot. But Lizzie, it did work. Trust me. Thank you for sharing that yesterday. Having mentor is to take from them few years of his experience. I read about guy who had 5% of strategy and he has the best profits. Absolutely, Peter. You don't need a lot, man. You don't need a lot to be successful. All you need is the discipline and the mindset to do it, right? So I'm glad that you agree, Peter. Lizzie, yeah, you did tell me. Trust me, it worked. I did. I did get what is it? A demo account. They give you $50,000 in a demo account, which is fun. I did take it, and yo, that worked. It was fun to do it. Again, binary, it's not easy. Again, but I will get back to it, Lizzie. Trust me. I'll let you know. I've never traded on funded accounts, but now after seeing you here, thinking to have one, but I'm confused about the right one due to their hidden rules to breach the accounts. Sad, bro. I think if you ask for my suggestion, I'd suggest you to go with funding pips. Get a $5,000 funding account. Okay, don't go for 25K, 100K, nothing else, man. Just get a $5,000 funding account. I, I think it's what 80, 100, whatever. I'm not sure, man. Please check it out. But get that account, try it out, man. I think funding pips has been pretty straightforward with the rules. They haven't denied outright any payouts yet, as far as I know from the people I know. So for you to test the waters, I think funding pips would be the best option. Just do it, try it, bro. If it works, imagine the upside, man. If it does work, if you have, let's say, 300K accounts, that's $300,000 in funding, man. Even if you lose it, right? You're only losing what 1,500 to $2,000 max. That's the money you're losing. But the upside to it is very high, bro. That's $300,000, which you don't have to worry about. If you lose it, it's not your money, right? It's just a demo account. Even for them, it's not a big thing, right? So try it out. Let me know. Daisy is like, I will also fund my funding pips as soon as I hit the enough funds for binary results. Lizzie, trust me, you will hit it. Um, when you do, get a small account, test it out. Because, guys, at the end of the day, the only thing most of the people don't have is the funding. Um, because we're not all rich. Even I come from a very lower middle class background. I don't come from money people. We are building. So we don't have the luxury of leveraging that much amount of money because for me, my family won't give me because they don't have it, $1 million. I personally haven't got it because I'm still in my 30s, right? So it'll take another 30 years for me to build that amount of capital. I can't wait another 30 years, guys. I'm young. I want to do it right now because getting rich at 60 or 70 doesn't sit well with me, man. What the hell am I going to do at 60? Can I drive my, you know, Benz cross country, bro? That's not going to happen, man. So I don't want to get rich when I'm old. I want to do it right now. I think funding prop firms are a good option to do it. So try it out, people. Who is called the this operator with funded account? I'm not sure if there is an operator, Peter. Um, Side loves it. Lovely, man. As I was young, old women were funding my account. Peter, man, you're hilarious, bro. Also on swing on USD JPY, USD CHF. Bro, sharing multiple trades at the same time, bro. Bro, we have a limit on how many trades you take per account. How does it work, man? I'm very interested, bro. Sherry, I like the framework, bro. Since you do swing, it hasn't worked for me since you have to wait too long. Um, it doesn't let you sleep, but it's good, man. It's good that you're doing swing, bro. Your strategy is much different. I'm shocked when I saw, but amazing. Arshad, thank you, bro. Appreciate it, man. Um, Bro, the more you make it simple, the better your execution will become. The more indicators you put on your chart, you'll make it you'll make it worse for yourself, man. So that's the whole point of the strategy. You wanna the thing that will make you successful is you want to be different from what everybody else is doing. Everyone wants to do order blocks. Everybody wants to do OBs, even liquidity. You can call this liquidity, man, but I'm very different from liquidity traders because for them, bro, the only thing they'll think about when price gets to liquidity zones, as they call it, for me, it's stop huns, right? So when price gets to liquidity zones, the only thing they're thinking about is, oh my God, now price has taken the liquidity zone. Now this is what is going to happen. Price is just going to go up, right? This is what they're looking at. For me, bro, I'm not thinking like that. So for me, this is somewhere price can react from, either continue or bounce back, right? So that's what I'm thinking. When price gets here, all I'm thinking is what does price wants to do? What is the story that next candle tells me? Okay. I'm okay with both rejection or continuation, bro. So that's where I'm different. That's where I want to differentiate my trading style. Again, guys, not foolproof, not bulletproof. Trust me. Uh, 30 to 50% win rate is all we need. I'm still successful. I'm still on the right trajectory. We will get there. You guys will see the whole journey. I just posted yesterday's video, which should have been done a month and a half ago, because that's when I passed the first phase. Not a month and a half, but 20, 25 days at least. Um, but all right, we might get a 313, but it looks like a B setup. I'm just thinking what to do now. Um, we'll go with the man. I'm sorry, boys and girls. I'll come back to your questions. Let's, yeah, look at that. I'm waiting for that. If that's a red, boys and girls, I've decided to take it. All right, stop loss 40 pips below. So 50. All right, stop loss goes above here, 98.6. Boom. Guys, I might take this if it's a red. That's 255 pips stop loss. So this is how it's done. Someone asked me in the beginning, okay, how do I do it? So this is how it's done. All right, zero point 0.2 pips, maybe SL. Guys, guys, the stop and zone is taken. This is the dilemma that I face every day, man. Do I go with stop hunt or do I go with 3 on 3? I hate this dilemma, bro. But rules are rules. I'm going with 3 on 3. I will have my limit order set. Zero point 0.2 lots will be my limit. Will be a sell from here. Nice, 1.6. Excuse me. Guys, I have put in an order. I'll show you. Hold on. That's where the order is sitting right now. Okay. That's the exact order. I'll show you the stop loss that way. Let me take this off. So if price comes back, I will hop in because it's already set. That's the entry. Wow, we're going below 3,000, bro. It's been a long time, I think. I'm happy to see that, man. $3,000. I just noticed it. It's good. Love it. So if price comes back, if it wants to take the order, it will. If you guys want, you can take a screenshot, but I'm going back to futures to see how price reacts on the stop and zone. If price gives me a sell, I'll take it, boys and girls. Right now, it's just creating the first candle. I'll wait for the next candle. Once it does, I'll take it. Okay, I'm sorry, if this is a strong down closing candle, I'll be looking for a sell because I can take sells, I can take both in the same direction. But if this is in the opposite direction, I won't be able to take it. Um, Funding pips will kick me out. So if it's a sell, I'll definitely take this. Boys, I know there are questions. I'll come back to it. Um, Syed, great question, man. That's a great question, bro. I'll come back to you. Let's finish this trade. I'll get back to your questions. Okay. Bro, that was a short, Peter. Peter, this trade was a short. Okay. This limit that I've set is for a short trade. If price, excuse me, if price comes back to the 3995.5 level, I will be on a short because I have a limit order set there. But having being said that, I will be looking for a short even here. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna lock in. So sorry, I won't be able to see the chat for a bit. So this is the zone we were waiting for from this morning. Oh my God, I'm struggling. Okay. If this is a strong closure towards the downside, I will be looking for a sell with my stop loss above this. So for now, I'm just going to take this out because it's going to be confusing. Okay. Just remember 3995 is the entry, 3998.17 will be the exit for this. So guys, we have 3 minutes for the candle closure. I'm just going to take this off for now. We will come back to it because I have to calculate the pips and this trade right now. Guys, hold on with me. So this might be the first trade for this day because whatever this candle tells me is going to happen. Let's wait. I still have 2.5 minutes. I want a strong candle closure here. And once I have that, as usual, I'll be having my stop loss above this candle. That's the candle that took the stop and zone. So 96.31, 100 pips buffer, 97.31 will be the stop loss. Somewhere there. And wherever this candle decides to close, let's see. So around 1,200 pips will be the stop loss. 1,250. Right. I'm risking 0.4% of the account size, which is $100. So 0.08 lots approximately will be the size of that trade. My God, my throat is killing me. So guys, I'm still waiting. We still have 2 minutes. Do not jump the gun. I'm still not in yet. This is just me calculating the stuff. If you're new here, please do not jump the gun. And again, I'd rather have you learn this. So that's why I show you all the process, how I calculate the pips and how I execute. For now, we're just waiting, people. Yeah, price is melting. Sorry. How much is it? 1,350, let's say. 1,350. Guys, we have 1.5 minutes for this candle close. Guys, there is a lag in YouTube. Remember that. Live isn't very live. There is, I think, a 7-second lag. So keep that in mind too. Wait for my confirmation, okay? All right, let's see. We have 1 minute. Yeah, it is pushing. 1,373. Wow. 1,400. Man, it's pushing a lot. 30 seconds, people. Maybe 0.06. I don't know. I hate it when price pushes this far because sometimes it just comes back. But it is what it is, people. 4 seconds. I'm in, boys and girls. I'm in the sales. 96.31, 95.31, 97.31. All right. I sold right here. Stop loss just above here. Okay. Let me take this off. So we got two trades. This one is live. That one, the other one I showed you, it's an order that's sitting very high. So let's just not focus on that one. So for now, this is it. That's the stop loss. That's the entry. And we're targeting a 1 to 3 people as usual. So hold on. This looks better, right? All right. That's the take profit. Okay. So this is the first trade for today. The other trade hasn't been tapped in yet. Let's see whatever happens here. We'll keep doing it. Okay. All right, I'm back. I'm back to the questions. I'm so sorry. So many questions. Um, I think Syed asked me a great question. Is it what do you suggest about trading more than one pair like gold? Okay, wait on, hold on. Bro, it's a short. I'm in. If you guys want to see, it's already there on the screen. Okay. I'm coming back from Syed's question. What do you suggest about trading more than one pair, like gold and any other? Or should one stick to one pair? Bro, Syed, I it's a great question, bro. Again, if you ask me if you want to stick with one pair or see multiple pairs, I would recommend you to go with just one pair, bro. Because when you start watching one pair every single day, it will be imprinted in your subconscious, man. Trust me, you will know what's going to happen majority of the time without you knowing it because you're seeing it day in and day out. Trust me, I've been seeing this chart for years, bro. So I'm I'm not saying you're gonna know everything about the chart, but I'm saying it'll get better for you. You you will know a little bit more about this chart. So you want to learn one beast rather than trying to tame four or five at the same time. Try to stick with one chart, practice your strategy in multiple places, but stick with the stick with the pair or the commodity that works best for your strategy. Okay, guys, not all pairs will work perfectly. I've seen people who do multiple pairs, like Sherry has multiple pair he executes his strategy on. But my personal opinion is you stick with one. You stick with one pair, one time frame for that strategy alone. Because guys, I only execute 3 on 3 in 1 minute. I only execute my stop and strategy in 5 minutes. Okay, those are the two time frames I see, but different strategy, different time frame, but only one time frame. All right, single pair, single time frame. I hope that helps. Not really swing. Once I have a kick-ass setup, I go with it. Chef is running for a week right now. Wow, it's been running for a week, bro. Oh, the price is already up 1%. So much swing. So such swing, I just set and forget. Sherry, that's awesome, man. If you're letting it run for a week, bro, that's that's some commitment, bro. Bro, I'm on a sell. You can't be taking longs. Sorry, boys and girls. Which challenge type and model type would you recommend for a beginner when it comes to funding pips? Sumit, bro, I'd recommend a 5K account, a two-step 5K account. Okay, test the waters, try it out, understand the rules. There is a ton of YouTube videos on what the rules are. Watch every single one of them. You just need 4 videos, bro. Watch the top 4 videos that shows up on YouTube, bro. That's all you need. Okay, try that. Peter says he's already in since 5 minutes. Hey Ali, I'm doing good, man. How are you? Arvind, have you tried the zero challenge of funding pips? Lizzie, no, I haven't. I don't wanna do it because the rules are very tough. I want freedom for myself and my brain. Trust me, trading is already stressful. I don't want to put more stress on it with too many rules, if you know what I mean. So, keeping it as simple as possible, having a two-step funded account gives you a lot of room to play with. My strategy, as you guys know, is not bulletproof. So, My strategy needs a lot of time, at least a month or two to pass, and then give me payouts. So this is a slow strategy. If you want to do this, you got to do this right. I'm ready to do this. I'm here for the long run. I'll be here for another 2, 3 years if I have to. Okay. So that's why I haven't tried the straight master accounts. It could be reaction up very high. It could be, man. Peter could have, would have, should have. We don't care, right? We just execute. We sit here and we just have fun. Okay. That's how you catch high probability trades, man. You can't doubt your setups just because it's against the trend. You cannot doubt the setup because it doesn't look pretty. Bro, you shouldn't be doubting your setups. If you get a setup, close your eyes, execute it properly. Once the stop loss and the profit take profit is in, that's it. You're done for that trade, man. Now you're thinking, okay, if this is done, what am I doing next? Okay, that's the only thing that you're doing. Other than that, you're just sitting there watching and hopefully talking to people in life. He wants to know why I entered in this area. Bro, it's simple, man. So this is the stop one, right? That's the stop one zone I was waiting for. Price made a beautiful low and then went up. So a lot of people who went long here will have their stop losses around this area, okay, around somewhere here. So when price came back to this area, it gave me a beautiful downward closure, telling me that it wants to break through these stop losses and keep going towards the downside, okay? It might do this and just keep going towards the downside. We might see this happen. So that's the whole reason behind it. And again, today I forgot to pin the strategies, which I'm going to do right now. Guys, it is a lot of work. Trust me, doing live. Excuse me. My throat is getting clogged up. Apologies for the ahams today. I'm going to go for the zero challenge. All the best, Lizzie. Please try it. I'm okay with you guys trying anything and everything because at the end of the day, whatever works, right? Go ahead. Let me know, though. You have to keep me in the loop, Lizzie. Yes, hold on. I'm just going to put this. So that's the strategy. If you guys want to check it out, you guys, it's just a short, so you can just go check it out. Um, hold on, hold on. Too many messages. Sabri says, trade one pair, drive same car daily. Our mindset deeply connects with that engine. Wow. Sabir, bro, I'm gonna steal that from you, man. What a way to put it, bro. That's amazing, man. Very well said, bro. When I love driving my car. Trust me, when I do it day in and day out, I know the exact measurements of my car. I can go in and out of gaps. So you're absolutely right, man. What an analogy, bro. I love car analogies, man. Well said. Oh. Do you know do you know Lewandowski, football player? He said that making good results, you need to have psychic psychic hygiene. Bro, psychic hygiene, are you talking about people who predict the future, bro? Is that what you're saying? Peter says I'm doing something similar. You have a funded account. Yeah, bro, I'm in the second phase. I'm almost there. I think I'm 45% there to passing the account. Let's see, man. Might get it this month, might get it next month. Who knows, bro? I have a 25K second phase challenge account, man. I took 1K USD and played it in the way thinking and reacting. And mostly, I lost everything as I am doing this with only technical. I'm on bigger pluses. Okay, Peter, let me get this. I took 1K USD and traded in the way thinking and reacting. So you usually before you were playing it with reactions, and mostly I lost everything as I'm doing this with only technical. I'm on a bigger pluses. Okay, with technical you're doing on pluses. That's good, man. Messi says strong down. Yeah, bro. Hopefully strong down. That is the reason I want to learn from you. Thank you, man. Fund next, I do have Stellar Instant. Lizzie, you already have an instant account. That's good. How's that going? Isn't it very tough with the rules and whatnot? I have to try to ask you the question again and again when you find the setup to entry. Thanks, bro. Yeah, you don't have to ask me every time. I usually explain. Even if I don't, you see those videos, right? It'll give you the gist of what I'm looking for and how I enter. So it's fairly straightforward, guys. It's not rocket science. Come on, a 5-year-old can do it, but the 5-year-old will fail because he or she is very new and very young to understand money. So, guys, the other trade is still there. I think if this gets stopped out, we will be entered on that one. And also, I think both of these are almost in the same place. I don't know what's going to happen, but we'll let it happen. So there it is. But let me just check if it price went too far for me to still have that on. Okay. Bro, price went too far, man. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take the other 313 off because price already went to a 1 is to 10, man. I don't want price to come back and then take me off after going that far from the initial entry, right? So guys, this will be the only trade right now. I'm gonna take off the other trade that we had with the 313, okay? So we are only in this trade right now. Don't worry about the 313 because price went too far. So this is the first setup for today, boys and girls. Let's see what happens. We have other setups too. Yes, it does very tough, but it makes me more disciplined. Lizzie, yeah, I can I can understand what you're saying. It's very tough. You have to be very disciplined to execute it the right way. I don't like wasting time. I'm here to earn. We're all here to do that, Lizzie. Absolutely. It is 1 is to 10 with the SL entry buffer. Bro, not the Shiv, not with the buffer, but remember, before we didn't calculate it with the buffer. We just had it the way it was, and if it crossed 1 is to 8, we just said bugger it, right? Shiv, let's just stick with that, bro. Um, if it does go over 1 is to 8, we're done with that, man. It might work. I don't want to take a chance on that. It's not even 6:30 yet. Why is price manipulating, bro? I hate to see this. All right, guys, almost out there. Let's see. Yeah, man, I'm out. That was mean. All right, nothing changes. Everything that changes is we're just collecting data, right? Failure. That's my son. All right, that's the first trade for today. So we'll wait for the next one, people. Let's see what happens. Gold is acting very mean. Yeah, bro. Short plus 120 USD, long still 50 USD. I don't know what happened, but a reaction like this, a candle like this before the 6:30, I'm very surprised, bro. I thought the reaction here was very good initially, but it is what it is, people. We are waiting for other setups. We will come back to this. For now, we have other things to worry about, okay? So this is done. This this becomes the next stop and zone. Okay. So on to the next. I practiced stop hunt and just entered it, considering also the high and the low of D1. You did? Lizzie, I do have a couple of strict rules, so I did not go in on that one because when price goes off to towards your TP to more than a 1:8 or a 1:10 RR, in my back test, I've seen the fact that it's not going to work out because it's run so far and it's coming back to you. You want price to come take your entry and then to go to 1:8 or a 10, not the other way around, right? So that's the reason I took it off. If we had it right now, we would have taken an SL, hence proved, right? Peter says he's in the plus. Good, bro. I'm happy. Congrats, man. Josh. Yeah, Josh. Right now, we're going to wait, bro. All we can see is green Eiffel Tower on chart. So, yeah, bro, this is a huge candle. It's not even 6:30 yet. Look, we still have 4 more minutes for the 6:30 candle. I'm not sure what's going to happen. Yeah, I can see the Eiffel Tower too, bro. Bro, I'm not drinking Coca-Cola, man. This is just water, bro. This is plain old water. I do drink sometimes, very rarely, bro. I'm not a big fan of pop drinks. Let's see, guys. We still have three more trades for today. First one, we took the SL yesterday. First one was the TP, so great start. But you can't win everything that you take on. All we can do is wait for the next one. And the next move is long, if I'm not mistaken. Lizzie, whatever comes in, right? For me, I'm not biased in any way. I don't care actually. For me, what I'm thinking right now is price at 6:30 might manipulate this low and give us a long, maybe, or keep going short. Whatever the case, we'll be here to execute, right? That's all that matters. Coca-Cola is good at night. We have here 2:53. Guys, yeah, Peter is from Poland. For him, it's midnight. Bro, I don't know how you're doing it, man. Waking up, you know, still awake at 2, 2 almost 3 o'clock in the morning. Peter, trust me, 10:30, I'm done, bro. I cannot do anything else, man. Anything else. So, yeah, now I know why you need the Coke. It is good for you, man. Oh, I understand, bro. But do you even sleep, bro? Come on, you're working during the day, you're trading during the night. How many hours do you sleep, man? I'm worried, bro. Peter's doing prototypes. He has ADHD. 5 hours? Bro, 5 hours is not recommended. Try doing seven. But bro, respect the hustle, man. I've done it. I was there, but my body wouldn't take it, bro. It's not something that is recommended, right? So even I think it's just a manipulation, man. Look, we were manipulated and then price is coming down. Price loves doing this. Look at that, man. But guys, it's okay. We'll have other setups. Like yesterday, we'll have other TPs. Right now, we're waiting for the next one. All right? That's fine. It's too much for me, even. Even 5 hours is too much. Yeah, bro. So we wait for price to make either take this low or take the high up here. Now we are at 6:30 candle. Let's see what this candle brings. Usually it's a good candle that pushes. Yesterday, the 6:30 candle gave us the TP and much more. I got a great fill on that one because my target was $300 for that trade, which should have been. Since I got a better fill yesterday, we made $411 on that trade alone. So $111 extra, which felt nice because that $111 actually took this stop loss. So we're still green from yesterday, man. $300 yesterday was sweet. See, Peter, you have Sherry, man. You have Sherry with ADHD too. So don't worry, man. You guys are all on the same boat. Gold knows you're live and knows your SL. Exactly, bro. Gold knows we're doing this, and a bunch of us are doing it. Almost 44 of us are doing it. We got 690 subs, boys and girls. We just need 10 to get to 700. That's a good landmark. Let's get it. 630 is here, people, but we're not seeing a huge reaction. Let's see. Bro, I'm not sure who's doing the manipulation, man. The guy who's doing it, bro, very rich, bro. Very rich. Arshad, I suggest trade with trend. Trend now trend is bearish. Be careful when you take buy trades. Yeah, bro. Let's see. Let's see what we get. If we get it with the trend, beautiful. If we get it against a trend, we'll take it. DK trades asks, how do you know you have ADHD? Bro, I think that's a question for you, Sherry and Peter, bro. You guys can take that one, man. It is a nice question, though. Let's go. 630 is pushing. Let's get it. 10 to 10 to 12 espressos a day. Wow. Peter has been tested multiple times. See, everyone got tested and confirmed. Peter and Sherry both got tested for ADHD. So, what do they test, bro? I'm curious, man. What do they see? What do they want you to do, or what are the questions usually? What are the common ones, at least? I have 3 liters of Coca-Cola per day and 2 grams of cocaine. Guys, he's joking. Again, as he says, he's joking. Don't do it. I think I need to take a test for ADHD. Guys, I'm just having a crack here. Okay, so a psychologist sits you down and asks you questions for IQ and focus. Okay, that makes sense, Peter. Rest for drugs. Jerry said it's a mix of IQ and everyday habits. They have a huge set of questions and certain habit traits. Yeah, bro. I think it's the way you do things and your compulsion to do it. For me, that's what I understand at least. Even I get it sometimes. I might also have ADHD. I want things placed at a certain place, things done a certain way. I don't know, man. I might have it. I'm not sure even that qualifies. So, oh, compulsion is OCD. Then what is ADHD? In ADHD, you don't have habits. Every time you view new ideas and new projects. Oh, I see the difference, bro. I see the difference. Apologies, I didn't know that. I might have OCD then. I should have that tested. Guys, I'm waiting for the 313, man. It's still not here. Let's see. Attention. Oh, you don't have attention span while doing a specific task, right? Okay. Got you, Sari. I got you, man. Makes more sense. All right, I think 630 candle has done its job of just having a huge wick as usual. Now price might do its usual thing. Let's see. Guys, I'm waiting for the day when I catch a 1 is to 20 or a 1 is to 30 with you, man. Trust me, that'll be the most successful day of my live career. It is a short one for now, at least. It's been just 19 live sessions, but soon people will catch that 1 is to 20 plus trade live. When we do it, that I'll keep that as my intro video for the channel because we did it live. I'm calling it right now. Let's see. When I was a store manager, trying to train people with ADHD was a nightmare if they weren't interested, lol. But see, I get it, man. If they don't have the attention span to do it, bro, to complete any task, you need attention, right? So 630 camera against us, not that much volume, but it takes RSL cleanly. Yeah, bro. Clean snap. 630 was against. Yesterday, 630 was in our favor. Today, 630, not so much. Yeah, it took us out, man. Anywhere we kept RSL, we're done. Anywhere, bro. So it doesn't matter. Right now, bro, it gave us another zone, okay? So I'm not too worried about it. Let's wait, bro. If we catch such a trade, we'll recover all the losses, God willing. Side, yes, bro. Bro, I have caught it before. I've caught two 1 is to 20 plus trades before, multiple 1 is to 8 and 10 trades. So the it will happen. It's just a matter of time, right? And sometimes it does happen after the live timings, which I'm not too thrilled about. I want to do it with you guys. I want to do it in live. So people who might think that it's a load of bull crap will have proof, right? Usually, I do have proof with the fact that you have the what do you call it? The dollar amount, the trade execution proof, and all that stuff. But again, doing it live is a different beast. It's all here. It's all out in the open, right? I want to have that. Now we're sharing medications now. Bro, I use 313 and stop and strategy. I have pinned that on the comments. Just check it out, man. Very simple strategies, bro. How long did you learn to become a professional trader? That's a great question, bro. How long did it take to become a professional trader, bro? The exact answer to it is 9 years. This is the process that started, I think, in 2017. I wanted to do full-time trading. That's when I started learning about trading. That's why I started hustling. Guys, when I started, I was very keen on making money. When I started searching on how to make money, this was back in college. I was in second year of my UG. That's when I started going at it because I didn't know what to do with life. So when I digged into how to make money, this was the number one thing that came up in the internet. And that's when I started the journey. Guys, it's been in the making for 9 years. And I've been doing this for 2.5 years in full time. So that's a long time, isn't it? In the beginning, I was focused on books more than anything else. When I started with stocks, man. I read books on stock. Believe, believe me, I've read over 80 books, 20 or 22 books in trading itself. The other 55 to 60 books were on self-development, on mindset, on life, autobiographies, and such. Um, the best book I've read in terms of trading, when you're talking about stock, was it's called Rule One Investing. Let me show you, man. I think if you want to learn stock investing, bro, this is it. Hold up. By Phil Town, bro. I've read this twice, I think thrice. Bro, if you want to learn, if you want to do it right, I'm talking about stocks, okay? If you want to do it right and do it, learn it, this is the book, okay? I'm just gonna put this on Discord, man. If you guys want to check it out, you're more than welcome, bro. I think this is one of the best books out there in terms of learning stocks. I'd highly recommend this, boys and girls. Mitzi, bro, you're just amazing, man. Huge respect for you, man. He posted the live link on Discord. So, yeah, you guys can check it out. Amazing book, man. Sorry. So, that's where I started. It's been a long, long journey. I'm finally getting there, bro. I will be very, very profitable. I was profitable with Bitcoin, but no, I'm not doing that anymore. Since when you're into prop firm trading, all your professional trading about, bro, prop firms, yeah, 2 years, man. More than 2 years, bro. It took me a while to figure this out because before initially I was trading with stocks, right? That's the initial, bro. This is, I jumped after 3 years of searching, backtesting, being afraid of executing. 2020, I started stocks. Okay, 3 years, 2017 to 2020, I was just learning about things. I was in school again. I went abroad. I was in Canada from 2017. So I was going to school, hustling part time, and also reading books at the same time. So it took a while for me to figure out or to get across that fear of failing. And then 2020, I decided to do it. 2020, I invested in three stocks, which as soon as I invested, went down 50%. All the three because there was a market crash back then. Um, for 3 years, the money was stuck. Thank God it was stocks, right? So it was still there. But good companies, great recovery. I didn't have the best timing. I was still new to it. It did recover. It went up 120% eventually, but I took it out as soon as it came back to break even and 8% profit. I took it off. But that's where everything started. And then I went into BTC. Bro, made a ton of money with BTC, man. Tens of thousands of dollars. Had a lot of fun there, bro. And almost lost it all. And then I was like, no, it's not going to work out. I have to learn something proper. That's when we got into Forex, found out gold, found a couple of good strategies. Voila, here we are. Yeah, bro, it's coming down from the mid-sea, man. Yeah, man. It's just cascading down to entry, bro. Yeah, bro, 630 manipulations are not always good, man. So we just have to bear with it, bro. Sometimes it gives us the TP, but sometimes it just takes us out. We just have to swallow it, man. So, guys, that's the story. It's been a long time. We will keep going, man. I'm here. I'm doing it. I know when I started this at 2017, I know it's going to be a grind. For me, I was looking at a 10-year horizon because I'm a big fan of Tony Robbins. I'm not sure if you've heard of him, Tony Robbins. Bro, I've read his books at least 10 times. I've read each and every one of his book that you can see here. Oh, wait, Life Force? I haven't, bro. That's the 2026 book. Oh, nice. I'm gonna read it next. So, Unshakable, Money, Master the Game, Unleash Power Within, Unlimited Power, Awaken the Giant Within. I've read every single one of this. Okay. Big fan. Initially, when I started, he was a big inspiration. So he told me to look at a 10-year time period. Back then, I was still very young, right? I was still in school. So I was like, okay, yeah, let me think about it. I was looking at it as at a 10-year time frame. It's been 9. Bro, he was accurate, bro. He said, after 10 years, you measure your success and see how far you've come. Guys, I've come a long way from where I started. I used to blow funding accounts right, left, and center, man, every day. But after all that, the last account I blew, I think, was 6 to 8 months ago. I've been in the right trajectory. In the last 2 months alone, the trajectory has gone off, man. It's getting better and better every day. Soon I'll pass it very soon, hopefully. Then I'll show you guys the whole journey from what happens right now to what is going to happen in the next 10 years. So that's the whole point of this YouTube channel, to show the journey. Because when you look at someone online, a guru online, or some influencer online, they show you when they make it, right? Or when they're renting their cars, or when they buy their cars. So they only show you the success they got after they got it. But what happens in between? What is the process? How does it happen? How do you make it? These are the questions that normal people like you and me ask, right? So this channel and this live and the purpose of this YouTube channel is to show you the steps it's gonna take. Okay. It's not one big leap. Guys, you're gonna grind, you're gonna work your ass off. I've been doing it for the 9 years. Um, so it's gonna take some time, people. You just have to do it, keep doing it. Fail. I failed my ass off, man. I'm still failing, bro. Even we failed this morning, bro. That's a failed trade, right? We fail every day, man. But eventually we'll get there. I know I'm ranting a bit, but this is a big subject for me. I'm a big believer in doing whatever it takes to win. Trust me, I've been doing it for a while. So I have the anger, the ambition, as well as the hard work to do it. Blowing accounts, what does it mean? Peter, it means failing the rules in the accounts. That's what it means, bro. So you have strict rules when it comes to funding accounts. Um, when you break those rules, they'll take away the account from you. So you failed, you've blown the account. Okay. You don't have money, you can't trade it anymore. I also read this books few years ago. Bro, Peter, how did you think, man? Did you like his books, man? I love his books, bro. Really nice, man. Did you lose money while you started trading? Bro, I've lost thousands of dollars, man. Trust me, thousands of dollars, bro. Again, man, think about it like this, okay? When you go to a professional university, this is how I think about it, okay? When you go to a professional university, you're paying a course fee. I paid $16,000 for my diploma that I got, and I got two diplomas and a UG. All right. So I've paid upwards of $40,000 in terms of fees alone. All right. We we did pay that. but I'm not using that in any way in my life right now. All right. That is a complete waste of money. But it does build discipline. It tells you how to learn. It tells you how to apply it. It gives you exposure to the world. It it gives you the opportunity to make friends and whatnot. You have the whole package. All right. So for me, when it comes to trading, this is the fees I've paid. So the money that I've lost is the tuition fee I've paid in order to learn this skill. This is gonna feed me, my family, as well as my generation that follow. Okay. For this, I'm happy to pay $50,000 and upwards. I haven't in any way done that. I've maybe paid what, $10,000 max, 1/10 of what I've paid for my university professional courses. But this has already paid me back and much more. And in the next 10 to 20 years, I know that this is going to pay me 100 times more. So that's how I think about it when I lose money in trading, because I know this is going to come back 1,000 folds. So change your thinking about losing money in trading, guys. You're just learning, man. You have to learn. It takes 3 to 5 years. You're going to lose money. This is tuition fees, people. That is all it is, man. Don't overthink it. You're just paying to learn, okay? This is the best thing you learn. Trust me, you'll never learn in a demo account, bro. You'll never learn in a demo account. Trust me, the only thing you'll learn is how to enter, how to exit. That's it. Because there's no emotions built into it, because it's fake money, man. At the end of the day, it's just numbers on a screen, right? You'll only learn when you put your own money into it in your personal account as well as a funded account. It's all money, right? It's all your own money that you've worked so hard for. Peter works during the day, trades at night, bro. I have multiple people here who do it. This is hard-earned money. Then emotion comes in, right? Those emotions are not easy to control and to tame. That takes time. So you'll only get successful when you tame those emotions down and start treating this mechanically. Don't give a fuck about the trends. Don't give a shit about how good it is. You just apply it. You just keep going with it. Okay, that's when the shift happens. So it's all tuition fees. You have to do it. Did you read Thinking Fast and Thinking Slow? Bro, I do remember looking at it, thinking fast and slow. Bro, I do remember taking this book in my hand, but I'm not sure if I've read it, man. I don't think I've read it, bro. Thinking Fast and Slow, popular Israeli American theology. Its main thesis difference between two models of system. One is fast, system two is slower, more deliberative and more logical. Bro, lovely, man. I love the suggestion, man. Peter, I will read this, bro. That's my next book. Trust me. I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna read this, man. I blew 70K so far. Bro, you've paid heavy tuition fees. It looks like you're getting Harvard education, but get this, you'll only lose if you stop, if you quit. You'll not lose until you're trying, until you're getting better. Bro, you're here, man. You've done the most work. You're sitting here after I took an SL and watching me blabber about life and about my journey, bro. You're doing the hard part, man. This is the hard part, okay? You guys are here doing this. I know it's not easy to watch someone do his trade for 3.5 hours straight. You guys are doing the hard work, man. If you can learn one or two things from me, this is what I would expect you to learn. Just learn the fact that it's going to happen. Keep executing. Don't worry about the money you've lost. Try not to lose more. Try try to learn the right way to do it and the right mindset to keep it. Lizzie says, absolutely. I burnt our entire savings. Lizzie, don't worry. It will come back. It'll come back big. Um, it is how this game is designed. You have to lose. But in losing entire savings, I know how it hurts. I've lost it. I've been there. But trust me, it'll come back, Lizzie. Please, not gold futures chart. Side bro, yeah, man, this is gold futures. But I do execute in, excuse me, I do execute in gold spot. Don't worry about it, bro. I had lectures with him many years ago. He explained a lot, not many things not to trust intuition. That's nice, man. Peter, did you meet him, bro? That's awesome, bro. There is a trick with learning a knowledge. If you treat knowledge as pyramid, then you can imagine that usually useful knowledge is just the top of the pyramid, but 5%. Absolutely, man. Yo, you have so much information online. Like Peter said, most of it is just bullshit, okay? And but when you keep searching and when you keep looking for it, it will find you. The right knowledge will definitely find you because anything new on YouTube, I click it. Any strategy, anyone is talking about, I made this, I made that, this strategy works. I click it, man. I just go in and see what they're doing and can I replicate it? I used to do this, okay? I used to see if can I replicate this to become profitable. Because when you search, you eventually find something. Stop Hunt was given to me. This is not something that I manufactured. This is from a mentor. But 313 was something that I manufactured from scratch. So, guys, you'll only find it when you search for it, right? So keep searching, man. Lizzie says she could have bought an SUV with it. Lizzie, trust me, if you would have bought an SUV with that money, you'd be only putting gas onto it your whole life. You're only losing money on it. But when you invested that money into trading, trust me, it's going to give you money for your whole life as well as for your family. So you did make the right choice, but I understand the analogy. Losing that much money, yeah, that hurts. You met two Nobel Prize winners, him and Jack Kilby from Texas Instruments. Bro, two Nobel Prize winners, bro. I've seen them on TV, man. That's the extent I've seen them. This guy's hilarious, man. But they didn't give me any money. Did you ask them, bro, Peter? Did you ask them for money, man? Yeah, right. That's why I'm milking the binary option for grocery and etc. Whatever works, right? For now, you can you can get money from here and there, Lizzie, but once you figure out a system, a couple of strategies, even one strategy with a decent enough win rate, you'll start winning. And initially, it won't be big money, but when you compound that with 5 or 10 accounts of 100K or 150Ks, that's when it changes, Lizzie. Trust me, it will. Keep at it, Lizzie. You got it. They didn't give me any money. I was a stupid student. Bro, don't worry, man. We all are stupid students here, bro, because we're still trying to figure this out, right? Guys, I'm waiting for a 313. It's still not giving me anything. Hopefully, it does. It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm waiting for my tea break because my throat is bothering me. Guys, we're at 691 subs, 9 more for 700. Let's get it, man. Thank you. We got 19 likes for the stream. Appreciate it, my boys and girls. How to improve English like you? Bro, I will tell you a secret, man. Trust me, it will sound completely bizarre, but trust me. If you want to improve your English, man, try watching series and movies in English. Try it with subs. It's not bad. Try reading the subs first, but keep watching it, and reading books and newspapers, yeah, fine. But my mom, she doesn't know Hindi, bro. It's another language here in my country. She doesn't know Hindi. Initially, she learned it by just watching Hindi series, bro. This was way back 30 years ago, man. She was still young, but she taught herself how to speak and how to learn Hindi by just watching series, man. That's all she did. And my English got better, much better when I was watching a lot of series and movies. And also, I lived in Canada, right? So I got the practice. But I'd suggest you to just watch series, man. I know it sounds insane. Try it, bro. It might work. And thank you for the compliment, man. Bro, I'm new here. Charlie, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Uh, if you're new here, always happy to have you guys. I also have a Discord. If you want, you can join. We have a good community of 120 plus people there. So I post all my analysis, profits, motivation, thinking of that, guys. We're forgetting our rituals. We shouldn't be doing that. I'm going to post today's motivation, trust me, right now. God, my throat. Hold on, let me get today's motivation. So this is the ritual we have, Charlie, here. Every morning I post a motivational quote on Discord. Let me find one. So these are quotes from back when I started. Let me get that. So this is Discord, and that's the motivation channel. I'm working hard so that one day I can buy my dad a house. That is a dream, man. But I've already bought a house, so halfway there. But today, bro, this fits exactly for today's topic, man. The things we've talked about today, this fits the bill. Hold on, I'm sending it right now. Almost. There you go. I'm going to succeed no matter how long it takes. This is what, this is exactly what I was thinking last night. Excuse me. Guys, no matter how long it's going to take, it's already been 9 years. I don't care if it takes 10 more years. I'm going to be here. I'll do it live and let's all do it together. And hopefully you do it too. Guys, don't give a rat's ass about how long it's taking and if you're not there yet. It's going to happen. Keep working, boys and girls. So that's the morning motivation. Read with voice out loud. That's how you improve English. Yeah, great suggestion, man. Where you from, brother? DK, I'm from Chennai, man. I'm from South India. So yeah, we might get a 3-3. Yeah, actually, we might get a 3-3. Guys, I'll come back to your questions. Sorry, man. Hold on, guys. We might get a 3-3 here. Okay, this is done. So for those of you who just joined, we did take a SL this morning. It's a part of the process. So that's that. Guys, I know I'm looking at the text, but trust me, let me come back to the questions after this. We might get a 3-2-3 here, this being the zone. So I'm just gonna lock in for a second here. I'll put in the order and then I'll come back and answer the questions, okay? 50. That's 48. Oh God. I need this fast, man. 48. So go ahead. I'm just keeping a buffer here, so don't worry. 05, 45. So it's 536 pips, 536. We're risking 0.2% of the account size, which is $50 at 0.09 lots if price comes back. Okay. I'm just gonna put this in, boys. Hold on. How much was it? What a short span of memory. 0.09, right? Excuse me. All right. I put that in. If price comes back here, it'll take my entry. Stop loss, it's there. This is Tokyo, so we'll let it run. This is 323, so we'll let it run. Okay. That's that. The order is in. If price comes back, it'll take it. For now, we don't know. All right. We'll wait. In the meantime, I'm just gonna check if we have any other zones that was taken. Guys, I'm waiting for this stop and zone to be taken. Let's see what happens. And as soon as I say it, it's almost there. Let's see. Sorry about it. I'm back to the questions now. Lizzie says, I was watching films for adults to learn foreign languages. Bro, I'm not sure the vocabulary in those movies will be very much, man. Very limited vocabulary on those movies, bro. Talk to me, I won't charge high. Lizzie is gonna take lessons for you guys. What's the latest news affecting gold? Abdul, no clue, bro. I'm not sure if there's any big news right now. Let me refresh. Trump, Iran is making big concessions. It's going very well. Trump says it's going good, man. 8 hours ago, that is. So we might have our war done, bro. The next stop and zone is taken, guys. We still have 2 minutes. We have a short order here, so I won't be able to go long. It will be unfortunate if we get a long trade. I won't be able to take it, but I'd suggest if you're not trading 313, which I think is not the best thing to do for you guys since it has a lower win rate. If you're not doing that, I'd suggest taking stop on trades, man. Uh, I have English native speaking. Ooh, Sherry. That's good advice, bro. Find a boyfriend or a girlfriend who speaks English, man. Sherry says that's how he learned Hindi, bro. That's hilarious, man. This guy is not dream guy. Sherry, bro. That's hardcore, man. Buy house from trading money. Bro, I did spend some money from trading, but I bought my car from trading though. Not my family helped me to buy this house. Guys, by no means I bought this with my money. Next house though, every dime will be mine. Hi, Blessy. Sorry, I just saw your message. Welcome, welcome. Good morning. Hey, Raj. How's it going, man? I'm not seeing you these days, bro. Welcome, man. Sabri says Vanakkam. Vanakkam is greetings in Tamil. Vanakkam, bro. Hi, Kiran. Welcome, man. This trade is trade. We can make lower bets. Yeah, bro, Peter. Trade is a trade. You can actually take lower lot sizes. For me, I only risk half of my account size, half of my usual trading limit. We might get tapped here. Let's see, boys and girls. Which car, bro? This is what I got. Yeah, that's mine, man. That's Volkswagen Virtus GT. I got it 2 years ago. That was when I was swimming in money with BTC. Yeah, that's the exact color, man. Yeah, love that, man. I just love that vehicle, bro. So, good morning, Ram. Good morning, man. Not only the full-time trader, but you're also a lecturer, man. Bro, is that a compliment, bro? I'd love to have this at a compliment, but is it a good thing or a bad thing, bro? Vanakkam, welcome. Yeah, you can say it also as welcome, man. Bro, what happened? I blew my 25K prop account. It was in New York session. I was up 900 and I got greedy because the market was volatile and started over risking to pass the challenge. Bro, this is what happens, bro. Bro, Ray, go watch my video that I made yesterday because I think that I made that video for you, man. Just watch the video from yesterday, bro. Because you guys are over risking, over trading. Trust me, you're gonna blow multiple accounts. Guys, we might get a shot here. This might be the last trade for stop hunt. If we get a shot, I'll take it. But because I cannot take a long here, since I already have this set up, guys, bear with me. I'm just gonna lock in for a bit. There's 3 minutes. If there is a trade, I want to be ready for it because, guys, this is just not for sure. I'm taking these trades with you guys. So hold on, guys. But if I'm looking for a sell, man, I want a very strong closure below this, bro. That's what I'm looking for. If that happens, fine. But if not, I'm not taking a trade here. Let's see, boys, because we have 2.5 minutes. If price closes below this, stop loss for a sell will go above this candle, 100 pips above here. So right now it's 88.56. It'll be 89.56 there. If it closes somewhere here, it'll be $1,100 of stop loss. Let's see what happens. So 1,100 pips with 0.4% of account size, which is $100, 0.09 lots. If price closes below, okay? Big if. We still have 2 more minutes. I won't be able to see the chat right now, so I'll come back to it. I'm taking a 2 minute break. Guys, the 313 trade is still live. I've had that order sitting there. If price goes and wants to take it, it's going to take it. Excuse me. Still a minute and a half. Excuse me. Let's wait for it. Come on. Yeah, 1 more minute. I want you to close somewhere here. Come on. I love it when price wants to do what we want. Let's see, boys. 19 seconds. I'm still waiting. Nope. I'm not in, boys and girls. Don't jump the gun. I'm not in. I'll still be waiting for another 5 minutes, but I'll take some questions before that. So still waiting for it. If even if this candle closes below strongly towards the downside, I will think about going in. Uh, as I was young, I earned 3 months for Volkswagen Polo, new one. I was so happy just by teaching calculus. Bro, I love Volkswagen, man. It's a GT. So the power of this one, bro, just and the look, man. I love everything about the car, bro. The sunroof, um, the alloy, bro, the power that gives it. And I want it for my family too, right? So that's why the photo. So it's a family car as well as, some food for me, man. Hey, bro. Hey, Ravi. Hey. You're late, man. Welcome, welcome. Can we place limit at 3991? Bro, yeah, man. My limit is sitting there. Guys, we still have 3 minutes for this candle to close. If it closes strongly towards the downside, I'm getting in. So are you? No, bro. I'm not in trade yet. I want price to get back to here, 3991. If it wants to take my entry, there is a limit order set. So, but for this one, I'm still waiting, bro. If price again closes, if price decides to close somewhere here, I'll definitely take it, man. I'm still waiting for it. We still have 3 minutes for this candle close, so we're still waiting. Lamborghini should be my choice, bro. It is not practical, man. It is not practical at all. Bro, I live in India, man. You should see the potholes here. You should see the size of the potholes here, bro. I will break that car into pieces within one day, man. It's not gonna happen. And I'm not an idiot to do that where I'm living because of the speed bumps. Speed bumps here, bro, are very big. I won't be able to get my car through, bro. And not a big fan of Lambos. Might get a Porsche 911 after 4 or 5 years. You say 911. Yeah, so that might be on the cards after a long time, but nah, man. Look at 5 minutes. So up and down. I think today is going to be chop zone. Ray, maybe, man. 313 is an indicator, bro. That's custom made. I will give it out in 10 days max. Okay. Yeah, I will give it out. Don't worry. I'll give it out for free, bro. I'm not going to charge anything. Any of you guys, that is going to be for free. But bear with me. It is coming out. All right. What kind of tea do you drink? English breakfast, I hope. It's better to take a tea break, bro. Nidhi, yeah, man. I will get a call from my wife, trust me, soon. So I will take it, man. Thank you for reminding, bro. What kind of tea? Bro, I drink black tea, man. I'm not a. I stopped drinking milk. I think, how long has it been? 7, 8 years ago. It wasn't sitting well with my tummy. It's not that I'm lactose intolerant. It's just it didn't sit well with me, man. I stopped it when I was in Canada, well before, because it's pasteurized milk. I used to drink it right off the shelf. I mean, right off the fridge. It didn't sit well with me. So nowadays, I don't take any milk in my teas or my coffees. I only take a black tea. I only do it because I want to spend time with my family. That's just a family time thing. None of us like doing it. We just do it for the sake of the family time. We just sit together, have a cup of tea, and then chat for like 15, 20 minutes. We do it every morning and in the evening. So that's a family thing. My car is Volkswagen. Bro, that's nice, man. Which one do you have, man? Nice trade. Yeah, bro, Ravi, I'm still waiting for, man. Today we're going to get placed in New York session with volatility. Maybe you're welcome, bro. Why not? Toyota is very reliable. You put Toyota through anything, it'll take it. Ray, man, it might, but bro, do you think it looks as sexy as this one right here? What is this? Bro, this is sexy, man. Look at it, bro. Toyota, maybe, bro, there are models that does look sexy, But trust me, when I saw this on the road, I fell in love with it, man. I saw it when I was driving. When my brother was driving, I was sitting behind. I just saw the headlights, bro. I just saw it headlights, and I knew nothing about the car. It was brand new that was going slowly on the road. I saw the headlights and I peeked behind to see which company it was. I saw the VW symbol. That second, I knew that I'm going to get this. Within the next 2 months, I got this, man. That was from my blood and sweat. Um, Bro, very proud, man. I'm very proud. Ravi has Taigun, bro. Yo, I saw that car too. But it's kind of an SUV, right? Taigun? Taigun. Yeah, bro. I did see this car, but I fell in love with something else. You fall in love once in a while, so this one, right? Yeah, bro. More of a family car. You know who funded Volkswagen Group? No idea, Peter. Tell me, man, who did? Guys, I'm gonna discard this zone because this is choppy, man. This is fried. But the 313 is still valid. 323. If it takes it within this hour, I'll take it. If price comes back to tap it, I will take it. But the other zone, bro, I'm not gonna take it. It's not giving me a shot because I can't take a long here. It will contradict the 323 setup. So this zone was formed at 7:01. I'll wait for this zone to be tapped until 8:01. That's a rule I have. I can't wait forever for a trade to be tapped. So, boys, that's what we're waiting for. Okay. What just gives us a lot of love to drive in the road? Nidhi, bro, have you driven it, man? Bro, I've driven 36 kilometers in that thing. Loved every second of it. The power, the presence, the interior. Bro, there could have been a lot of other features in it, like a bigger sunroof, or I don't know what do you call it. What do they call it, bro? You see your kilometers on the glass. What do they call that? So you get to see how fast the car is driving on the windshield itself. What is that called? I completely forgot what that was. That would have been a nice addition, man. But you don't have that there. Uncle Wolf? Mitzi. I've heard of Uncle Sam, bro. Heads up display. Salman, you're right, man. Heads up display, bro. Absolutely. Yeah, they don't have that, man. I wish they had it. Nidhi says, no, but my brother wants to drive that car, so I mentioned, bro, trust me, it'll be worth the drive. I'm loving it, but he's so drunk when it comes to fuel, bro. Trust me, I've I have filled more petrol in my car than I've made payments for it, bro. The amount of fuel he drinks, man. He's a big drunkard, bro. But I love it. Guys, let's just check it in 5 minutes. Yeah, this is consolidation. This is bullshit. Because for me, what I'm looking for is when price gets to these zones, I want it to react properly. I want proper reaction. This is not a proper reaction. This is just price consolidating, right? So that's why I've discarded this zone. But 313, 323 is always valid because when it gives out a signal, I make sure that I execute it. I give 1 hour time. And the only two rules I have to not to take a 313 or a 323 is one, it should not be after 1 hour. So I give it 1 hour time for it to take it and then react from whatever, right? And then the next rule is the price cannot go beyond 1 is to take 1 is to 8 take profit. Okay, so if a zone is created, I don't want price to go beyond a 1 is to 8 RR and then come back to the entry before it takes me in. All right. So these are the only two rules I got. If you want to trade that in the future, just note that down because it's very important. Uh, that is from the back test I've done because every time it goes beyond a 1 is to 8 or a 1 is to 10 RR and then comes back to your entry, more often than not, it's not going to work. So I don't do it. And the hour time frame that I have, yeah, if you're waiting for days for that to be filled, it's not going to work. You need it within a time frame for the entry to work, and hence that rule. So yeah, bro, Shiv, it's getting very choppy now, man. Let's not hop into that one. Have you seen what the market did on New York session? It just kept going down. I still blew the account. Ray, again, bro, we don't worry about what market does, man. If it gives us the trade, we take it. We don't care about big candles, big wicks. That's not how trading is done, bro. If you start chasing the market, you'll keep chasing the market. You'll get hit left, right, and center. Again, man, Ray, if you keep doing this, bro, you're gonna blow multiple accounts, bro. Trust me, you'll blow tens, even multiple dozens of accounts. So I'd suggest take it as constructive criticism, man. Stop chasing price, bro. I've done it. Don't do it. Missy goes, like Mike Tyson said, everyone has a plan until they blow their accounts. Absolutely, bro. Everyone has their plan until they get punched in the face, bro. And as well as until they get their accounts blown. Yeah, market is in a big consolidation phase. My TP is your SL. Bro, Mitzi, that's a good mindset to have when you come to trading, man. If you have your entries or your TPs when other people are taking their SLs, that's all you need, man. GK passed an account yesterday. Congrats. Which plot do you use? Bro, I'm not sure what you're asking. What do you mean by plot, bro? Can you explain? I think it's showing because market is waiting for news. Yeah, bro. Market finds its own reason to be choppy. And again, guys, this one I've discarded right now. We'll wait for this zone to be taken, boys. If it is. I'll wait for this zone and see what happens. If price is still choppy, I won't take it. And also I cannot take it long here. So if you're not trading the 3 and 3 strategy, you might have still take it. Heyman joined Discord. Welcome. X Mania joined Discord. Welcome, welcome, people. My best friend is like, we need 8 more subs to reach 700. Guys, we're almost there. 8 more subs. Let's see, man. Let's see if we get it today. I'm just testing my best friend, man. Hold on. Guys, stop on has been breached, but I'll only look for sells if there is one. I can't look for buys because the other trade is waiting for to be taken. So I'm just sending welcome messages in Discord. All right. Yeah, boys. We have 4 minutes for this. If there is a shot, I will I will look for one, but let's see, man. I'm gonna go to spot and see. So this is still valid, boys and girls. There's still time for it, but right now, let's just see what happens with this. If it gives me a shot, I'll definitely go in. So that was the tap. That was the taken. So you guys know this. I want my stop loss above the poking candle, 93.61. So 94.61. There. And if price closes somewhere there, so 1,300, almost the same. Let's see, man, if it closes. Six more sub needers to hit 700. Hit the subscribe button if you're here. Mitzi, you're awesome, bro. Thank you, man. Yeah, boys and girls, just six more to hit 700. Let's see if we get it right now. If you do a sub now, put your name. Let's see if you're the 700 sub. Right now, I'm getting called down for T. I'm gonna wait for the next 2 minutes and see what happens. Hold on. Hello, 2 minutes. This is what I hate. I hate when both of my strategies disagree with each other and they give opposite signals. I might have gone long here um, if this candle closes strongly, but since we have this entry lying there, we can't do it. So, damn. They say futures market have gone lower spreads, scalping. Have you tried trading on gold futures market, bro? I have tried trading gold in Top Step. I had a lot of accounts with Top Step. I've blown a lot of accounts in my earliest stage with Top Step. So I have tried it, bro. Uh, yeah, not a big difference, man, to be honest. Your boss is calling. Yeah, man, my wife is the boss, bro. I have to be there in the next 2 minutes, like I promise. What do you think of ICT concepts? Trust me, I quit my job. I mean, I didn't quit my job. I was in between jobs in 2020. For a month, I sat down and I invested 15 to 16 hours a day to study ICT. That guy is the most boring guy on planet Earth. No offense to anyone who follow him. He talks way too much. Guys, not my cup of tea. He doesn't answer any questions directly. It didn't sit well with me. And he has his own narrative when things happen. Live, he takes zones from years back. Didn't sit well with me, man. I did try my brother who you see on the DP on the image trades with him with CRT. I think it's a spin-off from ICT. So I do know people who do trade ICT and CRT, but for me, no, I'm not going to do it. But I did learn though. So like Ravi says, I did learn. I used to learn. I used to use Binance, but I'm done using that. So not anymore. I like this push down. If it closes somewhere here, I'll go for a sell. But right now, I'm not thinking about it. 9 more seconds. Oh my God, I didn't expect this push down. Oops, not yet. Guys, I'm not in. Don't worry. I Ravi hates ICT and SMC. CRT is candle range theory, right? Yeah, bro. Candle range theory. You got it. A lot of people trade it. It's good for them. Doesn't sit well with me, so I don't do it myself. Ryan says you're the man of the house. You're the alpha male. You tell your wife that this is your kingdom and you can have tea when I want. Ray, if I say that to my wife, bro, I'll be sleeping on the street, man. Today, tonight, I'll be on the streets, bro. And I'll have a slipper flying from my mom. Bro, I might be the alpha male in the family, but I'm not the king in the kingdom, man. Guys, I will wait for this candle, and if this is a strong closure towards the downside, I will take that trade and then go for tea. But for now, I'm just chilling. My wife is gonna kill me, but it's fine, man. I'm working. But I will have this on the screen so that I don't have to type it when I'm leaving. Will be back after tea. Okay, I will have this for now, but hold on, I'm not gone yet. I still have 3 more minutes, guys. I'm just gonna happy wife, happy life. Shiv, exactly, bro. If your wife isn't happy, bro, she's gonna make you and your life miserable, man. So make your wives happy, boys and girls, and make your husbands happy. But more than that, make your wives happy. If they're not happy, you're gonna feel it, man. I can always make a case for being bullish or bearish, lol. Yeah, bro. You can always tell your own narrative. You can always take zones, order blocks, FVs from anywhere you want. Bro, that just blows my mind, man. No wife, man, happy. Peter. Yeah, bro. Even if you don't have a wife, it's good. But if you do, make her happy, man. Guys, 5 more subs for 700. Let's see if we get it. So I'm gonna lock in. We have 2.5 minutes for this candle close. If it is a good closure, I'm gonna take this sell. Let's see. Please don't mind me. I'm gonna lock in here. Let's see if we get a sell, boys and girls. All right. If this says as is, it's gonna be 1,350 pips. Okay. So that's 1,350. So 0.07 lots. All right. If it says as is, it doesn't look like it. Let's wait. We still have some time. Let's see. Wow, that's bleeding. I wanted below 2,000. Sorry. I wanted below 2,000 pips because it does break my rule if it's more than that. It is bleeding, boys and girls. I wish it tapped us in 313 and then bled. It is not meant to be. It's still not gone to 1:8, so we're waiting. So 1,850, 1,850. We're only risking 0.2%. So that's $50. It should be what? Just 0.02 lots? That doesn't make sense. Whatever. We'll take it. Guys, I need a strong closing candle, not something like this, okay? Hold on. 28 minutes, sorry, 28 seconds left. Let's see. Let's see. I'm flabbergasted by this, man. I don't think this is right. 0.02. Oh, damn. It should be. Oh, got it. My friend just texted me. It should be $100. It's 0.05. Sorry, guys. I'm in, boys and girls. I'm in the cells. Yeah, I should be risking $100, not 50. He's right. So officially, in sales, I'm just gonna put this and I'm gonna have tea, okay? That's entry, that's stop loss for this trade. That's entry. Take profit would be a 1:3. My best friend saved my ass, man. This is a stop and trade, right? So we're risking, God, that's a huge take profit. I'll take this off. Very confusing. So, guys, that's the last trade for stop on today. Take profit or a sell, we'll take any of it. Okay. But 3 on 3 is still alive. We'll still wait. I'm just gonna bring this. Where is it? Where is the I'll be back from tea thing? What? Oh, here. So, guys, boys and girls, lol. Yeah, right. There are boys and girls here, so that's why I address you guys as boys and girls. What's the volume? What the volume you do month? What do you mean volume, bro? I'm not sure. Stop hunt is $100 risk. Yeah, Shiv, you're right, man. You saved my ass there, bro. Morning, bro. Abdullah, morning. Yeah, this trade is running. That trade is still not tapped in yet, so it's still there. Guys, my family will kill me. I'm just gonna have tea and come back. This is gonna be running. If you're in, good. If you're not in, please watch. I'll be back.
Damn.
What's up? What's up? I'm back. Oh, that sucks. But I see that the 313 entry has been tapped. Yeah, I took the SL. Thank you, man. Mitzi. Yeah, guys, I got cooked on this one. I think the other entry has been tapped. Wow. Wow. It tapped me by inches, bro. If it does fall from there, it'll be awesome. Let me show you. Yeah, boys and girls. That's top one strategy done for the day. Two SLs. So this is the 313 remover. That was still running, boys and girls. That is running. So that got tapped. You want to see how barely it got tapped? Let me show you. Look at this. That's how barely it got tapped. What an entry, boys and girls. If this decides to give us the day, man, that'd be amazing. But this is running, boys. That's a good entry to take, isn't it? I hope you guys can see this. Loving that, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen. We'll let it run. If it comes back to the low, we'll be up 1:6. So that's entry. That is a sell. All right. We'll let this run, people. Far as soon as you entered, it went straight up. Yeah, bro. It did. Shit happens, man. What volume you do month? Bro, I'm in my 25K account. I'm not sure in terms of volume what you're asking. So I'm going to be, I'm in my second phase. Are you talking about money, bro? Zero money from this account yet since I'm in the funding phase. Let's see, man. If this goes to a 1 to 30, bro, we're making big volumes, man. Looks like it's in the direction destruction mode. Seek and destroy is happening. Yeah, bro. Two trades, two seek and destroyed. But this tap is just glorious. Hopefully, guys, this becomes the 1 to 23 that I caught live with you people. Right now, it's looking glorious. I think it's at 1 to 1. Yeah, it's at 1 to 1. Let's see what happens. Guys, we are at 696 subs. We just need four for 700. I have some stuff for you. Tell me, bro. I'm glad to hear that, man. I'll be glad. Guys, the reactions from the zone, man. I just love it, bro. Yo, all you need is one good 313, 323 setup, and this is what will happen. Look at that tap and fall, man. If it comes here, it's 1 to 6, bro. 1 to 5.5. I am a BD from Crypto Exchange. Doesn't sound sinister at all. Mitzi, bro. Mitzi, you're hilarious, man. You're a business developer from crypto exchange? Sure, bro. What's going on? You promote our exchange and we'll give offer. Bro, this is not the place to talk about it. Trust me, I'll say this live. I'm not gonna, right now I'm saying this, I'm not gonna promote any crypto exchanges because I don't do it myself. I will never push something that I don't actually do it myself. So I am sorry to reject your offer like this. But this is not the time or a place to do it, bro. Not on my chat. Um, I do appreciate the offer, though. I'm not someone who'll be bought with money, man. It's just not me, bro. So sorry. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much, though. I'm glad that you understood, brother. Nagraj joined Discord. Ash joined Discord. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have an offer where you hit the subscribe button and you'll feel hit the subscribe button and you'll feel morally rewarded. Mitzi, bro, I love that offer, man. Pitch Hub B21, that's for you, bro. If you hit the, like Mitzi says, man, if you hit the subscribe button, you will feel a lot better and morally rewarded, man. Love it, bro. I love it. Guys, we're at 696, four more from 700. Let's get it. We got 38 likes for the stream. Appreciate it. This trade is already running at a 1 is to 2. That's fun to watch. Come on, only on stream you're saying that you won't be bought by money. Off stream, you say make it rain. Ray, bro, I'm not one of those people who'll sell their soul for money, man. Bro, I'm not saying I'll sell a course. It's on the cards, bro. You'll see my course on my Discord in the next week. That's not something that I'm saying. I'm saying I will not do ads for the people that I don't believe in and I don't use it myself, okay? That is the moral compass I have. So if it's legit, if funding pips hit me up and say, Arvind, do an ad for me, I'll consider it, okay? Because I use it myself. And if I get multiple payouts from them, definitely I'll consider it. I'll consider doing an ad campaign with them. But with with someone else who I don't know, even Coin DCX, they approached me and I was like, no, it's not gonna happen. So that's what I'm talking about. It's a moral compass I have. Mitzi, thank you, bro. Mitzi says respect. Appreciate it, my brother. Let's see, boys and girls. If this hits big, that's all we need. That's really nice of you. Not many people do that. Thank you, bro. Yeah, man. Bro, there is a million ways to make money, man. But I won't make money out of my subscribers or my community, bro. Just because that I'm give me being paid doesn't mean that I have to be pushing stuff that might not work. That's not good for all of you all, okay? I always have that in mind. So yeah, I forgot to do something. That's two SLs for today, man. Mean, bro. Mean start. Yesterday was beautiful. Yesterday we made 411. Today we lost 200. Damn. But that's that. That's trading. We'll keep going. So price did go to 1 is to 2, right? Yeah, it did. 1 is to 2.3. Good. But let's see. Boys and girls, as you guys know, I don't take break evens with this strategy. I will let it drum. If it decides to go to a sell, so be it. But it's up to you. It's up to you what do you want to do, because a lot of times I've seen price go to break even and then pop off to a 1 is to 20. I'm not missing a 1 is to 20. That's over my dead body. So I'm gonna hold this regardless. My TP is your SL bros. Buy at 3965. 3965. Oh, that's awesome, bro. If you're waiting for it, good man, you might get it. Trust me. But for me, this is what I'm doing. This is what I do it for. Look at the entry, bro. I'm just so happy about it, man. Look at the tap and the reaction from it, man. This for me says that these zones are very powerful. So what a zone, what a tap, what a reaction from it. That's all I need, man. I'm very happy about this, bro. I don't care where it goes, man. I'm very happy about this trade. Yes, because seeing this doesn't happen often, man. The entry that you get sometimes with this, just glorious, bro. Just absolutely glorious. So I'm here. I'll do it. I'm off to the second bottle of the day. Cheers. Oops. Bro, even yesterday, man, it was a great trade to begin with. But it took my SL and then went to a 1 is to 7. It barely took me, man. Like this wick, bro. Like this small wick. It just wicked me out and then went to 1 is to 7. Can. This was after 3 hours after the live, so I couldn't put it live, but it did happen. Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah, yesterday was a 3-3, wasn't it? Oh, this one is a 3-2-3. Thank you, bro. Thank you for reminding, man. You're right. 3-2-3, this one. Ravi sent a train, I think. Guys, we are at 698 subs. Two more. If you're new here, if you do sub now, if you're the 700 sub, put your name on the chat. I do have a shout out for you. Hopefully it falls in and gives a banger. Bro, Shiv, yeah, bro. It hopefully does, because it's been a while since we caught a 1 is to 23 or a 1 is to 20 plus, right? With 313, 323. Let me check. Hold on. The last banger we got was a 1 is to 12 on 28th of May. The OG was 27th of May. So how long has it been? What is today? Today is 25. Almost a month, brother. That was $1,000 trade. Sweet to see that, man. Let's see, bro. Shit. Sorry. Let's see if we catch something like that today, man. It'll be awesome, bro. It looks like it. Shiv, it might be it. We never know, right? That's the amazing thing about 313 and 323. Bro, you never know, man. It'll look like a very okay setup, and then it'll fly to a 1 to 25, bro. It'll be like, what? Bro, this has the power to pass your account with a single trade. And that's why I love this strategy so much, regardless of how many stop losses I take with the strategy. Absolutely lovely, man. Look at that reaction, boys and girls. I'm loving this. Sure, bro, this might be the day, man. Because remember, I think we had end of the month trades like that. This was 1 to 25, right? Uh, see, 27th of March, 1 to 23, bro. End of March, end of months, bro. Really, look at that. Yo, 24th of Feb. I think at the end of every month, bro, we do get some sweet entries, man. But this one, I missed it. I was very new to the strategy. As you guys can see, I just started that. So that 1 is to 40, I couldn't take. But this 1 is to 23, I did take. That 1 is to 25, I did take. Hopefully, today, bro, we will have a 1 is to 20 something here, man. Hopefully. But the hell with it. We'll wait for it. I hope you help me make some good money. Bro, I hope for myself, for my sake too, that we make some good money, man, with this trade. Trust me. Don't worry, bro. We'll get there, man. Eventually, bro, we're gonna catch it. I'm not sure if this is the trade. Bro, I'm gonna be doing this day in and day out. I hope you learn this and apply this because that'll help you in the long run, man. Bro, my first day of your life, I've seen few Insta reels of yours. It's crystal clear. Bro, thank you so much, man. Appreciate it, bro. It means a lot. I think you're the first one to come over from Insta into YouTube Live because Insta is fairly new. I just have what 21 posts. It's just been a month, I think. Bro, thank you, man. Thank you for coming over. Thank you for joining the live and welcome, bro. Maybe, bro. I think you are, man. Don't worry. I'll give you that credit, bro. Arvind, you're my love, bromance. Bro, Ravi, did you catch it, bro? I got it, man. Don't worry. I didn't think wrong. Bro, did you catch this tap? I hope you did. Hi, bro. Alvin from Madurai. Hi, man. This is Arvind from Chennai. Bro, I was in Madurai not long ago. I think a week ago. Love the city, bro. Not the traffic, but Meenakshi Amman Temple. We went there, me and my wife. We went there. We stayed in Regency GRT. And then I was there for a couple of days. I was there for a wedding. Lovely place, man. Good food, bro. You caught it. Check Discord. I will, bro. I will. I'm glad that you caught it, man. What is it right now? Is it 1 is to 3 yet? Almost a 1 is to 3, boys and girls. Let's see. I just got your message, man. Nice, bro. Robbie caught this one. Bro, after I will come daily with your speech, I can get some positive. That's all I expect, my brother. Please join me every day. Shoot questions, boys and girls. We're here to spread positivity, regardless of what's going to happen with our trades. We are in the positive trajectory, trust me. Uh, we are doing good, but the more positivity we spread, the more we'll have hope to do this tough job. So, you're welcome, man. Thank you. Daily எப்போ live வருவீங்க? Uh, Arvind, bro, every day at 5:30 a.m. until 8:45. So I'll be here for another half hour. She's asking when I'll be live every day. So there you go. 5:30 a.m., man. I didn't come here to your live. I will close my trade with loss, but I'm holding, trusting your analysis. Bro, listen, man. If you have a strategy that already works, bro, don't jump it. If you're new here, please do not abandon your strategies, my people. This has a very low win rate. Bro, listen, if you're new here, if you want to close your strategy and then follow this, it's not going to work out for you. 3-1-3-3-2-3 strategy has a big secret to it, which has not been revealed by me yet, maybe in the next 10 days. So I'd suggest you go back on my videos, try to learn it. Stop on strategy is fairly simple and straightforward. That you can do it with my videos. But if I'm taking this live, if I confirm the zones, then you can probably go ahead with it. But please don't abandon your stuff, people. Try to learn it and then apply it, okay? I don't want you guys to trust me blindly. This is what I do every day. I'm just showing you what I do. You don't have to do exactly what I do. Try to learn it, tweak it, do whatever changes you want to do it, and then apply it yourself after back testing. Okay, that's what I would suggest for you guys. That's my honest opinion, boys and girls, because I don't know what's going to happen here, boys. It can go to a 1:40 or it can go to SL in the next 2 minutes. No clue, man. How was the tea with Bobby? Very peaceful, man. So it's just not my wife. It's my mom and dad and my wife, right? We have that tea together. Yeah, bro. I love that tea time, man. We sit at our backyard. I get to see the mango trees and a few other plants garden that my mom is trying to create. And it's the morning, right? So it's beautiful always. Manju joined the server. Hi, Manju. Welcome, welcome. I understand. I'll come to your home next year. Bro, you're most welcome, man. You can definitely come to my place, bro. We'll chill, bro. Trust me. What is 323, brother? Bro, just check out uh, the comment that I've linked on the comment section that I've pinned. Sorry, it's very simple, man. It's just a pattern that I'm looking for, bro. Yeah, sure, Ravi, bro. I am planning to come to Canada, man. I have a friend's wedding, so you might also have a coffee in Canada, man. Whichever works, man. Guys, I love traveling, so I'll soon get one. No, 323 is on for bear case. No, man, it does not work like that. It's just a pattern. If this was in the opposite end, I'll take it for a buy. It's just a matter of what candles come before and after. If this was green and this was red, I will be looking for a buy. So in this case, see, look at this 313, right? This case, I'll be looking for a buy if I was looking for it. Right now, I'm not because I'm already in a trade. I don't give a rat's ass. So let it be. Wow, when? Bro, maybe in the next 6 months or the next year. Uh, I do have a brother who's going to get married. Not a brother, he's a friend of mine. So I might come to Canada, man. We'll meet there, bro. Yeah, I'm planning on a cross country trip. I'm going to rent an RV and I'm going to drive from Toronto to Vancouver, man. That's the plan. That's the plan, okay? Not not executed yet. I'm not sure what's going to happen yet. So let's wait and see, bro. Oops. Bro, I think that's a 3,000 kilometer drive. I want to do it over 20 days. It's been a big dream of mine, Ravi. I'll do it, man. We'll definitely meet, bro. Good morning, Dave. Thank you for joining, bro. Gold did hit my target yesterday. Dave, awesome, man. I'm happy for you, bro. Guys, congrats, man. We've hit 700 subs. That's amazing. Thank you so much. If you've just subbed now, just put your name on the chat. I do have a shout out. Boys and girls, we are growing like crazy. I love this. I appreciate every single one of you. We got 44 likes for the stream. Means a lot. Yeah, bro, east to west drive, man. It'll be an amazing drive. So, guys, lovely to see that, man. That means that you guys trust me enough to come here, watch me, and sub to my channel. Means a lot. Bro, what do you do for living? Bro, this is what I do for living, man. Trading is all that I do, man. Wow, morning, bro. 700K, brother. Good job. Bro, not 700K yet, man. It's just 700, but it is a good milestone. I love it. I love the number. Every live stream we're growing. Yeah, yeah, bro. Ravi's here every live stream, bro. Thank you, boys and girls. Guys, I'll be here for another 15 minutes, I think. But this trade, if you're in this trade will be running. If you want to know what I'll be doing on this side of the planet, I'll let this run until Tokyo ends. So 11:29, rest assured, I'll close that trade if it is alive. And wherever it is, regardless of right now, it's sitting at, I think, at 1 is to 2. Yeah, 1 is to 2.2. Even if it's at break even or close to SL, I don't mind, or at 1 is to 23. So I will close it exactly as at 12:29. Even if I'm not live, I will update everything in Discord. If you're not already joined Discord, go ahead and do so. Everyone likes stream. Can I change TP to down? Bro, this is not, that's what I was saying. This is not a fixed TP. I'm not wishing for 1 is to 6 RR. That's not how this strategy works, bro. Excuse me. I'm going to let this run, okay? Yeah, man, until what time? Tokyo ends for me here at 12:29 p.m. So that's 12:29 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, bro. That's how long I'll let this run. Guys, that is how we caught these trades, man. We have to catch runners. Catching, hold on. Catching a 1 is to 12, a 1 is to 25 cannot happen if you're closing it early, prematurely. A 1 is to 23 wasn't done like that. A 1 is to 40, same thing, boys. Same thing. These trades, guys, have the sting to change your accounts completely. So, as you guys can see, this trade is running live right now at $120. I will let this run, man. Okay. This is just risking $50, right? So it's running above a 1 is to 2 right now. Guys, I'm gonna let this run. Regardless of what you see here, this is not the TP, guys. Don't get it wrong. This is not the TP. Bro, just calculate it, bro. 12:30 IST, man. Whatever time that is for you in EST. I'm not sure, bro. It should be 9 o'clock. It's been a long time since I came back from Canada. I forgot the timing, Ravi. I'm glad that you guys understand. See, getting to 700 was tough, but we're already at 704. I don't understand this, man. Once we get to a milestone, people start subbing. Is that how it works? I don't know. Everyday time, you're live. 5:30 a.m. IST. I'll be here until 8:45. I still have 20 minutes on live. 10:54. Is that the time for EST, bro? See? Yeah, yeah. I get it. 10:55 p.m. Yeah, bro. Before you go to sleep, just close it and then sleep, bro. Because the reason why I say that is a lot of times price after going to Tokyo, going to London will take Tokyo's low and then continue towards the break even or the stop loss. I've seen that happen, but sometimes in the 2 years of backtest, I've seen two trades which ran to 1 is to 200. 1 is to 200 risk to reward if I let it run for one more day. But as as much as I want to catch a 1 is to 200, boys and girls, it's catching two trades for 2 years is it's not my thing. I just don't want to do it. Uh, I'm okay with 1 is to 20s and 40s, man. Webbob joined Discord. Nagaraj joined Discord. Welcome, boys. All right. Yeah, bro, GK Trade, you're right, man. That's EST timing. You caught it, bro. What platform do you use for trade? Bro, that's a C trader. That's with funding pips, man. That's what I use. Extremely big RR, right? Yeah, man. Bro, if I could catch a 1 is to 40 in $100,000 account, just $100,000 account with $1,000 stop loss, bro, that's $40,000 on a single trade. Imagine getting $40,000 on a single trade with just $100,000 account. For me, I'm planning to get $1 million to $2 million in funding in the future. Not now, maybe in the next 6 months or 8 months. But if we have $1 million in capital, if you're risking $10,000 for that trade, catching a 1 is to 40 with a $10,000 SL, boys, that's 40,000. Wait, is that 400,000? Yeah, man, that's $400,000 in a single trade, bro. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Again, guys, this is the future. It's not here yet. We're still at 1 to 2 struggling with this one, but we will one day. You guys can mark this out. One day I'll put that video in YouTube that I caught a 1 to 40 with the 313 or a 323 setup, and we made $400,000 on that one trade. Okay. You can note this down. This is not my head weight or my overconfidence talking. It's just me saying, I'm going to keep executing until I get there. Okay. I hope you don't misunderstand my intent. Do you catch this setup daily? Yeah, bro, I do this daily, man. This is all I do, man. I caught maximum 1 is to 18. That's awesome, bro. Today you caught 1 is to 15. That's nice, man. I wish you get it. Thank you, bro. Yeah, man. 1 is to 28 is sweet, Ravi. Guys, I'm not sure if you can see it in the background. You see those charts in the background, boys? That's proof that this strategy works. That's my backtesting results I've put on the wall. And I do have another wall to my left, which has almost 12 charts like that. Those are trades over 1 is to 15. And the wall to my left has trades over 1 is to 30. It has a trade which was last November with a 1 is to 80 risk to reward. Yeah. So it does work. It will work in the long run. We just have to be patient. And that's why I tolerate the very low win rate. Okay. Understand that it has happened. I have caught it. We will catch it. That's the process. We don't mind if this goes to SL after a 1 is to 2. Okay. We don't mind that. But catching that 1 is to 80 is the dream and the goal. All right. What platform? Yeah, I said that. I said that, right? I use C Trader, man. That's with funding pips. Is this 1 is to 40? I don't know what this is going to be, bro. Let's see what happens. You're awesome, bro. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, bro. All users, please like his stream. Click on like. Thank you, Ravi. What platform? Bro, I've said it multiple times. I'll show you, bro. You won't believe me, man. I'll show you, bro. This is C Trader. I'm going to show you, man. Hold on. This here is C Trader. We let it load. As you guys can see, this is running. This position is live. Let's say 25K account. We're still in positive after getting hammered this month. We're still in positive. Okay. I'm not sure why the chart is not loading for some reason. Why isn't the chart loading, bro? But the position is live, boys and girls. As you guys can see, there it is. So it's called C Trader, boys. Sorry. Thank you, man. Guys, I'm here for another, excuse me, here for another 14 minutes. If you have anything, you'll have to say your piece right now. Ask your questions. I'll answer them. And after that, I'm off live. Am I single? No, bro, I'm married, man. I'm married. I was married 9 months ago. Good question. Yeah, bro. I fell into that trap. But that trap turned out to be an amazing trap, man. I'm loving it. I got a beautiful wife, man. It's going good, bro. He's double. Yeah, man, I'm double, bro. So, boys, even if it went to 1:2, I'm not going to. Oh, hold on. So, this did go to a 1:2. As you guys see, 1:3 actually. I will not book break even. If you want a break even, it's up to you, but not me. Yeah, Ravi, I'm double, man. Don't. This is the trap. Bro, trust me, that's what I thought too. It depends on the person that you're marrying, bro. I got very lucky. Excuse me. Sorry. I got very lucky when it comes to my wife. Bro, it was an arranged marriage, believe it or not. I did not know her before my wedding. We met 4 months before my wedding. We did talk a little, but I knew the day I met her that she was the one. We only talked for 10 minutes. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I don't know, man. God works in mysterious ways, I think. Um, I believe she was sent to me for a reason, and bro, that's the best decision I've made, bro. I'm having fun, you boys. If you get the right person, man, I think you'll have fun. Lizzie, yeah, I'm glad that you guys agree. It depends on the person you meet and the fate that you meet. So if you find the right person, you're lucky. I find myself lucky, trust me. Awesome, bro. I wish you both live happy. Thank you, man. Sorry, bro. I didn't catch your name, man. What's your name, bro? So that I can refer you by your name. Calling you user CG40X70C4M doesn't sit well with me, man. I'm not sure why I couldn't see the chart and see trader, man. What's happening here? I should see the chart, right? What's going on? I'm just gonna close this shit. And then I'm gonna open that again. Guys, sometimes C trader does glitch. I don't want to glitch and close my goddamn trade. Yeah, there you go. That's the trade. And it is alive. Good. Lizzie says you're the man. Thank you, Lizzie. Arkham, right? Arkham. I'm saying that right, right? Arkham. Nice to meet you, bro. Hi, buddy. Hi, man. Nice to meet you. Thank you, guys. Welcome, welcome. Arkham. I hope I'm saying your name right, bro. I usually note it down so that I don't forget you guys, okay? I am going to note this down. Close app and reopen. Yeah, bro. Thank you, man. I did do it. It did work, bro. Thank you, man. Not users. I got that, man. Guys, now you know why I don't believe in break evens. I've seen multiple times price getting to break even and then pushing towards our side. So break even, not so much, man. I don't like break evens. God, we've got 49 likes. That's awesome. We're almost at 50 likes. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. The trade is running good. Let's see if we catch that whale today. Remember, we caught it live. This was done live. If we catch a 1 is to 20 or a 1 is to 40 today, we did it live. That'll be a dream, man. I hope we'll meet daily here. Trust me, bro. How come if you get here at 5:30 a.m. IST, you'll see me smiling, man. I'm here every day if I'm not traveling. Okay? If I'm not traveling, I'll be here every day. In the last 6 months, I've only traveled for 4 days. So don't worry, I'll be here, man. That's awesome, bro. Guys, I'll be here for the next 8 minutes. We got 51 likes. Awesome. 705 subs. Guys, it's just been 19. This is the 19th stream, okay? It's been almost 2 months, I think, since I started the channel. I'm going to show you, okay? We started the channel, I think. That's when I started doing it again, 21 April. So May, June, right? So 2 months exactly. Guys, we've grown, man. 705 subs. In the last 2 months alone, we've got 679 subs. We've got almost 1.8K watch hours, 31,000 views. That's awesome, man. Thanks to you guys. This is just me showing this to you so that I can thank you people, okay? This is because of you people who are watching right now. So appreciate it. Means a lot. Cheers. Even if you happen to go real in pocket option, kindly update your win rate. Lizzie, I will. I'm not sure if I have the time to do it, but I will monitor it for an hour every day. That's what I thought when I saw it. Maybe after 12:30 IST, which is London session. I will try it. I'll definitely let you know. Trust me. If it does work, why not, right? Yes, bro. Because right now we're running almost a 1 is to 3. Hopefully, I will update this. Whatever happens today, boys, I'll be gone in 6 minutes. So whatever happens after, I'm gonna update. If it does go to a 1 is to 20 or a 30 in Discord, if you're there, let's celebrate. We'll raise a glass in Discord. Um, Hopefully it does. Because it's almost time and it's end of the month. I told you guys, right? We've got 1 is to 23s and 1 is to 25s at almost exactly this time of the month. A 1 is to 40 was on the 24th of Feb, I think. So it might be the trade, people. It might be the trade. We are in the same time zone. That's good, bro. So it's the same time, right? So 5:30 a.m. I'll be here. Guys, that's 1 is to 3. That's amazing. Can you hear the motor running? I have my water overflowing behind my door. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. Funny story, bro. Last time, his name is Loki. He's one of my members in Discord. I was having tea downstairs. I get a message in Discord saying, "Bro, your motor is running. Please turn off your motor, man. The water is overflowing." Bro, I laughed so hard. I did not believe that he caught that. And he texted me, bro, in DM, bro. He didn't say it in the chat. He goes, bro, your motor is running. Please turn it off. Bro, that was that was amazing for him to do it. It was hilarious, man. Sherry says, congrats on 700 subs, but thank you, bro. Appreciate it, man. Thanks to you guys. We've got this far. Guys, we'll go to much bigger heights. Trust me, in the next year, we'll get to at least 10,000 subs. But really amazing to have 700 subs. Thank you, man. But not same country. Where you from, bro? Or come? Bro, I was gonna say now as well. See? You guys can hear it then. Oh my God. That's hilarious, bro. Logesh. Thanks, man. Bro, you should be from, if you're from a same time zone again, Asia, right? So guessing from your name, are you from Bangladesh or Pakistan, man? Where you from? Either way, you're my neighbor, bro. Not both? Come on. Is it Sri Lanka? What else, bro? Um, Israel, Iran? I'm not sure, man. Don't let me guess too much, bro. Come on. He says, but neighbor. Yeah, for which one? I did guess two though. Which one? Sri Lanka. See? Happy to have you, man. You're very close to me, bro. BTC, BTC, BTC. Bro, don't worry. We don't do BTC here. I don't analyze BTC here. I'm sorry, man. I'm not going to do it. So, guys, I have only 2 more minutes for this session. So, I'm just going to start my ending remarks because 2 minutes is not enough for me. You said it's the third time and went so far. You said it at third time and went so far. Yeah, man, I'm sorry. Guys, this is running amazing. Right now, we're at a 1 is to 4.3 risk to reward. As you guys know, this is live. I'm going to let this run. Right now, it's running at $212. I don't give two minds about it. This is going to run. This is going to keep running. So, boys and girls, remember, you have Arvind here sitting in this planet, on this side of the planet, letting it run. If you want to have the conference, if you're in this trade, if you want to let this run, just know this. I'm here doing the same thing as you. I'm going to let this run until 12:29 IST. If it's the same time for you, do it. If you want to close it, it's up to you. So thank you so much for joining. If you guys are new here, you're very welcome. I really appreciate you joining and spending your time with me. We've got to 706 subs. It means a lot to me. It's a big achievement, 700 subs. I did not dream about this. Trust me, doing live was not my plan. It was my best friend's plan. I'm glad that I'm doing it. I'm glad that I'm helping at least a few of you people. Thank you, guys. Thanks, everyone. I'm not gonna, guys. I'm gonna do something from here on. I'm not gonna thank you individually because there is 50 of you sitting here. I cannot name every one of you. I don't want to leave anyone else out of the thanks or the welcomes. But if you do text me, I will refer your name though. So don't get me wrong. Um, yeah, Sherry man. See you tomorrow, guys and girls. Thank you so much. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. I will update on Discord if you're new here. If you can join me on Discord too. I have a lot of things coming in the coming days. I will give out my indicator in the next 10 days for free. So don't worry. I'm not going to charge you a cent for it. This is something that my best friend gave me with his blessings. I'm going to give it to you. This trade right now is at a beautiful 1 is to 4. We will let it run. This is Arvind signing off. See you guys tomorrow. Take care.